Hello everyone, I'm Rohit and we are going to start a new series called reporting. So a lot of requirement comes from the dashboard, interactive session, how to share that report, how to share the dashboards. All these issues every day face that what is the database view. So those requirement comes every day. So instead of giving the response one by one, I thought to create a new series about the reporting. So we are going to start a new series reporting where we'll discuss about dashboard, interactive sessions. We'll discuss about that reporting colors, database view, join, all these stuffs we are going to discuss in this series. So let's see what are the things we can achieve. So for the further documentation, you can go back to my Snow Expert Rohit this website, and you can go to this documentation, click all topics. There are a lot of topics available into this here, and you can directly go to the reporting, and then you will be able to see that reporting documentation. I'm going to add more child topics or more topics here. Right now we are going to discuss about reporting and how to create the reports, all those stuffs, but I'm going to gradually add the topics here. So let's first see that what is reporting. So in a fundamental or in a simple language, the reporting can give you that current state of the record in a graphical representation. So basically reporting cannot say that what was the previous state for 5 days ago. It can show you that what is the current state, how many incidents are open right now, and in a graphical representation, in a tabular format, in a pie chart, bar chart basically. So let's see that definition. In that reporting enables you to create and distribute report that shows the current state of instance data. So basically current state, it give you that such as how many open incident of each priority there are. Reporting functionality is available by default for all the tables. So basically you can report most of the table. There are some restrictions, we'll discuss that further, but by default you can report most of the table. Okay, now when we talk about the reporting, most of the people get confused between reporting and performance analytics. So let's talk about the performance analytics also. Performance analytics enables you to track and aggregate the data over time, such as measure how many tickets are resolved every week per assignment group. Basically what happens, performance analytics collects the data every daily, weekly, or based on your frequency, and it can show you that historical data. Basically report can give you the current data, but performance analytics give you the historical data basically. Okay, so this is the difference between reporting and performance analytics. Okay, we'll discuss further about also performance analytics one by one. Let's first cover that reporting part. So we'll talk about that how to create a report. In this today's session we'll talk about that how to create the report. Simple report, report, create from the list, copy report, delete report. So these are the basic functionality we'll talk about in our today's sessions. So let's go back here in our ServiceNow instance. If you want to create any report, you can see that left navigation, you can simply type report. So most of the ITL user can create the reports, or if you have a report user, you can also do that. So if you go to this reports module, under this report module, you can see getting started option, then we have a view/run, then we have a create new report. So this so most of the cases administration part you won't be able to see, normal user won't be able to see. This part will be able to see by admin, but above the module can be seen by ITL or report user person, okay, who have the report user. So most of the user have a ITL user or report user, they can see that. Now if you click the view report, you will be able to see all the reports available at that moment system. Either that report is shared to you, or maybe some global reports or anything. So if you see that under this my reports, all these report that has been created by yourselves or maybe shared by yourself, or you are part of the groups. If you click the groups report, so these are the reports shared to your groups. These are the global report, and if you click the all report, you can see all the reports. Basically this is a quick filter, you can say my reports, group reports, global reports, and all. Here you can see or find out all these reports. Now if you click this personalized icon, you will be able to see if you want to add few more fields. You can see we don't have gear option. Normally in the list we have a gear option, here we don't have gear option. You can see we have a schedule and published field, but if you want to add more fields, you have to click this gear option here, and then you can add very minimum field like table, last modify, these fields you can add. And let's say you don't need schedule and publish, so you can remove that schedule one. So this is the simple way to view the list of the reports. You have here options called show as how many record you want to show and each page. So you want to show that each page 50 row, 100 row, depending on what you need. And then right side you have a search function. So this is how the reports looks like, or report list looks like. If you want to create a report, simply you can click here, it will be create the reports. As well as you can favorite the reports, you can directly click this and edit the reports, and you can sort that. Even you can click that and started sorting that. Based on that, you can see this can be sorted right now. And if it is published, it have a true, so this report is published. So this way you can basically find out the reports, list of reports and all those stuffs. Now let's say that in our today's sessions we have discussed that how can create a report. To create a report, simply you can click the create report. Once you click the create report, a new UI will be open. Okay, the very first thing is that you should put the report name, and if you see that source type, so by default it's have the data source. Okay, so what is data source? I'll talk about that upcoming video. For the time being, let's say that our requirement is to that create a reports to see how many incidents are open in my system, right? So I want to see the how many incidents are open in the system right now. So we'll type that my, or let's say that open incident. Okay, so this is the report name. The moment you type here, you can see it's automatically reflect the report title here. Now under this source type, I'll select at that moment table. What is the source type? We'll discuss that. And then what should be our table name? As we are discussing for the incident, the table will be incident. We'll put that table name equal to incident. Okay, so once you put the incident, you can see that it by default show a filter called all, right? And then that's it. So we'll put that what is the filter. We know that the state is open, all these incident I want to put that. So state is new, or maybe you can say state is new for the time being, or you can put that state or active is true, whatever is the condition or filter condition you can apply there, and click run. Once you click the run, by default you can see the list of incident, list report is calculated and list of incident are showing right now. So it means that whatever is the list of incident available, all these are showing. So these all incident are state is new state, you can see. If you want to put any additional filter called active equal to true and remove this filter, you can do that. Whatever, I mean, I'm trying to put that you know, you can put apply your filter based on your requirement. Now next we have a type. So what type of report I want? So I'll go to this. You can see you have an option called next, or you can directly jump to this you know, this section. So you'll click the next here, and then you can see the list of or types of reports available here. So you can see these are the types of reports here. Okay, for the time being, I'll you can see I'll pick that scores. What is the scores? Scores can give you the result or the count. Okay, so for our case, we have, you can see if you select or hover over any of these reports here, you will be able to see that the report's name called dial, speed meter, we have a single score, you can see that. So each reports have a different type of name. We'll discuss further various types of report in our upcoming sessions. So you can see bar report, histogram. So these are the type of report we have. So we'll select for the timing single score. The moment we select the single score and click run, you will be see that the reports got changed from list to, you know, single score. You can see right now it's showing that open incident count is 40. So total incident, active incident is right now in the 40. You can change the type further, or in the future we'll discuss that upcoming video. But you can see for the timing we know that how many active incident we have or open incident we have 40. Now if you can click the next, you'll go the further configuration, like what you want, aggregate, you want to average, you want to find out the count, you want to minimize, maximize, what you want. So I want the count of incidents, so I'll click the count, and then you have a style, and this is the default style is apply. So we'll further dip in each and every options our upcoming videos. Just for that first day, I am discussing in the very high level what you can create in your personal instance. So you can practice that, creating a simple report called active is true, and then you can simply save that. The moment you save that, the report is saved right now, and this report, if you go back again and you go back to the report modules and then view reports, you will be able to see the same report again. So you can see that created or last modify, click here. So open incident that you have created just now, which is showing right now. You can open that incident, okay, and this incident can give you the list of open incident. Now if any incident created in between, you can refresh that, you can get the data. Okay, so report created is done first of all. Now you can simply run anytime. Let's say that if you want to refresh the report, you can simply run that and the report will be automatically refreshed. Now if you want to share this report by somebody, you can click the simply sharing option, and add to dashboard option is available and sharing option available. Let's say that you click the share option, and then to whom you want to share. You want to share this report to everyone, to a specific role. If you want to share to specific groups, if you want to specifically for user, let's say that I want to share these reports to every tutor, I can simply select that. So if you want to put that groups, roles, everyone, me, depending on what is your requirement, you can define or you can share that report to particular user. So that is the sharing option. In case if you want to create more reports, insert and stay, you can go and click the insert or insert and stay, like that. So you have an option called insert and stay even, or insert option. Now if you want to delete the report, you can simply click the delete report. It's give you the prop up, and you can simply click the delete, and this report is going to be delete automatically. So anything like you either go and create the reports, you can share, update, whatever is your requirement, you can do. Now if you click the info icon, it give you that the basics automatically populated, table name, type, groups, all this automatically. But if you want to put some description, you can put the description and save that. Okay, so this is how a report creation happens. We talk about that how to create a report, with the create a simple report to open incident count. Now we'll talk about that how to create report from the list. So this is the simple one options to create a report, or else you can click the create new reports, and then it's the same option. It land to the same page where you can create the report, right? So you can see you can land here this page. Another option is that you can go to this any of this particular table. So let's say that you go to this. So let's say that you landed to this particular table, you put specific filter, let's say that state is new, and right now we have a 13 incident. You can right click on that, and you have a two option called bar chart and pie chart. You can directly generate a report from here called bar chart report or pie chart report. So let's say I'll click the pie chart. Once you click the pie chart, it's automatically get the filter and it's create a report. You can see automatically landed to the report module, and you can see it's give you that the name pie chart of incident, and then you can see that state is new, and this report tell you that how many priority, based on priority it's generate that report. Why it based on priority? Because the right click, I click on this priority field. So you can see I right click on the priority. If you click right click on that category and click that pie chart on the category, it will create a report based on that priorities. You can see it will create a report on priority right now. You can see network, software, hardware. So these are the priorities. So you can directly generate a report from the list of incident event by pie chart and bar chart. Both options are available. Another, let's try for the bar chart. So let's say that I'll click that call state, not priority, and then bar chart. You can directly click there. It will generate a bar chart for you. So pie chart, bar chart, directly options available from the list. You can just simply update the name and you can click the save button, so report will be saved. So it's a very quick options for you. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day. In our upcoming video, we are going to discuss further more about reporting.